Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I'm going to review Minimalist 10% Niacinamide plus Zinc Face Serum for reducing the oil and blemishes. Quantity is 30 ml and the price is 599 rupees. Available on Nykaa, Myntra. This is non-sponsored video. Made in India product. Who is it for? It targets blemishes, acne marks, dark spots, tiny bumps, open pores, oiliness, acne. Suitable for all skin, but always do the patch test first. Free from fragrance, silicones, sulfates, parabens, dyes, essential oils, and dermatologically tested. pH ranges between 5.5 to 6.5. Here is my review. I have only sensitive acne prone skin. This suits me well, no irritation. It was in between, not so mild, not so harsh. Yes, it controls the sebum production, calms down the irritated skin. 10% is higher concentration. So if you have dry skin or the normal skin, then it might be quite harsh on your skin. So you can check the another one that is 5%. You can go with the lower percentage that is 5%. That is the safest option. 10% may cause irritation. I had used it regularly, exhausted the whole bottle. This was my second purchase and this was the second formulation also. Very mild, viscous liquid, hydrating, non-drying, but this wasn't that effective to fade my stubborn dark spots, which led to close comedons or acne. The one which came in the transparent bottle with white cap, that was very similar to the ordinary packaging. Yes, the ordinary niacinamide 10%. That was very effective to fade my stubborn dark spots. The first formulation was really effective on my skin, but then they kept on changing the formulation. This one, second purchase, wasn't that effective, and now they came up with newer formulation. I don't have any idea about that, but yes, didn't cause any irritation, little bit fading the dark spots, not that effective, didn't suppress the active acne or pimple, didn't see reduction in whiteheads or blackheads, little bit reduction in the pore size, and okay kind of product. If you wanted to give it a try, then you can. Hope this video is helpful. Always do the patch test first before trying anything on your skin. Thanks for taking care of your skin. If you have also tried this product, then you can share your review in the comment section below.